Welcome to the CryptoNest. So I know Bitcoin is down almost below 25k. So that's honestly that's amazing. So once again, I just want to calm you down. So the purple line here, the vertical one, it's when we had when Bitcoin had the first halving. We had like a pre-season bull market, I would say, a nice spike, and then we had a kind of corrective movement, and after that we really had that higher high of that cycle. So the higher high of the cycle, I draw this vertical line in green. The bear market low is this line in red, and the purple is the halving. So we did the higher high, and RSI was oversold. And after that, we did the lower low of the cycle, and we were quite for a while into the oversold area, into the RSI. After that, that's it. This is another halving. So we had once again several peaks here, and we had finally our bull market high for the 2017. And as you can see, we were as well into the oversold in RSI. That's the daily. Actually, if you put it in the weekly, it kind of reduce a lot if you want, the volatility in the RSI. So yeah, maybe I should have done that. So as you can see, we only had here we had a spike, and then RSI was oversold. But when we start to really count the waves, this was the peak, and it kind of coincided with the price action as well. Once again, it is not necessarily because the RSI is oversold that the price action is going to stop to go higher, right? So this is just an indication. And if I check my MACD also, it kind of concur with the price action and the RSI. Now the red line here we said is the bear market, so you can see that we were still oversold or near oversold, and the MACD as well, we were into the negative momentum, not crazy, but still give you a good idea. Here we had the other halving, and once again here you can see that we did reach higher price. So we reached a higher price here, we were oversold, and as you can see in the RSI, we were crazy positive, right? Coincide with the peak of the RSI and the price action. Now, after that, we had this corrective movement. We did touch the oversold. We were, kind of recovering already a little bit into the MACD, the negative momentum. And after that, what did we had? We had this, I like to call it pre-bull market. So we had a revival in price, and then we had a corrective movement, and then we have the halving. The halving, after that, you can see that we start going higher. But this time, as you can see, when we got the oversold, actually the highest point, we were not still at the higher high in the price action. We were about 42,000, and we went up to 60 or 61,000. So once again, you can see that indicators, they only indicate, but they can tell you the shift of the momentum. So this is why it's always important to take small profits every time we reach a new levels. And now, for sure, we had this A, B, C. Now we're having this C corrective movement. I believe, honestly, that we already had the lower low. As you can see in these levels here, this was in my opinion, the bear market, more likely here. And then now this is once again what I call it. I like to call it the pre-bull market. So we're having this appetizer of bull market. Now we're having this normal corrective movement. So I just want to point out that every time we do that, we kind of approach once again the oversold area, right? So this is not unknown. We're just doing a copycat of all the previous cycle. So RSI, I expect RSI to go lower. So yeah, you got that right. I expect price to go lower. So 22,000, no problem. Actually, I would start to be worried if we don't get to 22,000, honestly, because it means this time the cycle is doing something else. Also, if I take the Fibonacci retracement, so let me see here. Yeah, I should change the colors. So if I take this impulsive moment for a yellow count, so this is the first wave in yellow, you can see that, you know what, I'm going to take out this one, it's going to be clearer. So if I do it this way, you can see that we just today went below the 0.5 fib retracement. So the 0.618 is 24,000 and the 0.786 is 22,155. Okay, after that, if we go lower, then maybe we need to start to be a little bit nervous. Once again, nervous not because I'm selling all my coin and I don't believe in crypto anymore. More nervous because it's more like, holy shit, I need to find another job to accumulate more money so I can get more Bitcoin. Alright, so this is pretty much all that I wanted to share with you guys today. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and keep the faith. Bye!